I am Mohammed Khaled Zubair. I made this video for all. Outstanding Jamaican jerk chicken recipe. Jerk chicken is incredibly popular in Jamaica and is one of the traditional meals enjoyed daily by many. To enjoy the meat, it's essential to have it slowly cooked over a long period depending on the type of chicken used. There are as many takes on jerk chicken in Jamaica. Chicken is coated in a seasoning mixture dominated by spices and chilies, then grilled. It's wonderfully spicy, smoky, and fragrant, everything you want jerk chicken to be. But what puts this one above all others? The key is including Chinese 5-spice in the marinade. This spark of cinnamon enhances the rich clove flavor imparted by the allspice berries. For best results, let the chicken marinate overnight, so the seasoning has time to thoroughly penetrate the meat. The chicken can also be roasted in the oven if desired. Active, 30 minutes. Total, 9 hours. Yield, 8. Ingredients. Ingredient checklist. 1 medium onion, coarsely chopped. 3 medium scallions, chopped. 2 Scotch bonnet chilies, chopped. 2 garlic cloves, chopped. 1 tablespoon 5-spice powder. 1 tablespoon allspice berries, coarsely ground. 1 tablespoon coarsely ground pepper. 1 teaspoon dried thyme, crumbled. 1 teaspoon freshly grated nutmeg. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/2 cup soy sauce. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. 2, 3 and 1/2 to 4 pound chickens, quartered. Directions. Instructions checklist. Step 1. In a food processor, combine the onion, scallions, chilies, garlic, 5-spice powder, allspice, pepper, thyme, nutmeg and salt. Process to a coarse paste. With the machine on, add the soy sauce and oil in a steady stream. Pour the marinade into a large, shallow dish, add the chicken and turn to coat. Cover and refrigerate overnight. Bring the chicken to room temperature before proceeding. Step 2. Light a grill. Grill the chicken over a medium-hot fire, turning occasionally, until well browned and cooked through, 35 to 40 minutes. Cover the grill for a smokier flavor. Transfer the chicken to a platter and serve. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Channel name, Khaled Zubair.